Today we're going to be reviewing a 4-in-1 iPhone 16 Pro Max case. Here's what comes in the box. You got 2 screen protectors. These are privacy protectors. So you'll be able to see what I'm seeing here, but not here, not here. 2x protection, privacy protection. You got 2 of those. You have the case, military grade case. It's kind of transparent. It has the MagSafe ring. It's nice and thick. Has a lip in where the camera goes to protect it. So even when you put it down, the camera won't get messed up. You have cleaning kit to install the screen protectors. If you don't know how to install it, there's a QR code back here that shows you how. And this tells you how to. There's a thank you note, and then you got a protector for your camera. That's all it comes in the box. This was an unboxing video. This is a military grade all around case, so your iPhone 16 Pro Max will be protected all around. A whole bunch of drop tests, and it will survive. Your camera will be protected because you have a cover for it, and your screen will be protected because you have screen protector. You got 2 of them with privacy. So if you're looking for a great price, well-made camera and screen protector case for your iPhone 16 Pro Max, here you have it. I hope this video helped you, and thank you.